In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change the network mode on the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. So first, open the Settings app, then select Connections. From here, tap on Mobile Networks, and you should see the option labeled Network Mode. Tap on that, and from the pop-up, you'll see all sorts of different options. You'll have the 5G option, you'll also have the 4G option, the 3G option, 3G only, and 2G only. So it's up to you to decide which one you prefer. So for example, the first option is normally 5G, 4G, 3G, and 2G. If you wish to select a different one, you can choose the 4G, 3G, 2G option, or you can just select an only option. So it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs, and once you've selected, it will be applied automatically. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.